Aviator 5, correction, ADS 5 Charlie Victor, San Diego Tower, runway 9 right, clear for takeoff. ADS 67 Hotel, San Diego Tower, advance, make straight in runway 9 right.
Advance on main screen to runway 9 right, ADS 67 Hotel.
ADS 67 Hotel, runway 9 right, clear to land.
Runway 9 right, clear to land, ADS 67 Hotel. Miami Tower, ADS 5 Charlie Victor, we need to come back.
ADS 5 Charlie Victor, roger, do you require any assistance?
Affirmative, we're turning and back to the runway, ADS 5 Charlie Victor.
ADS 5 Charlie Victor, roger, you can land runway 27 left if you'd like. Your number 1, runway 27 left, clear to land.
27 left, clear to land, we got an emergency, mayday, we got a smoke in the cabin. Landing runway 27 right, ADS 5 Charlie Victor.
ADS 5 Charlie Victor, roger, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
27 right, clear to land, ADS 5 Charlie Victor. Oh, ADS 27, you want me to change to runway 9 there?
Or 517 Hotel, make an immediate left turn northbound.
Yeah, we got it, 7 Hotel. They got a lot of smoke trailing out, roll the equipment.
Ram 60 ground.
Missouri Charlie Tango, frequency change approved.
We'll talk to you later, Zero Charlie Tango.
ADS 62 uniform, make a right 360, rejoin the final.
Right 360, okay, yes, it's changed.
And foam 24 ground.
ADS 67 Hotel, runway 9 right, cleared to land, your number 2, following traffic, about the small final.
Looking for traffic, ADS 67 Hotel, clear to land on runway 9 right.
ADS 5 Charlie Victor, left at the end and ground is 0.7.
Ram 60 ground.
Ram 60.
Hey, Ram 60, I was trying to reach you and the foam vehicles. Traffic that just landed and is rolling off of runway 27 right, turning off at the end. He came back, he departed 9 right, and reported some smoke in the cockpit. So if you guys can go check on him.
Correct.
5 Charlie Victor, ground. Five Charlie Victor, roger. That's approved. Just you said you're getting out of the airplane. I have ramp vehicles on the way. Do you need to exit because of the smoke? Okay, so 5 Charlie Victor, that's approved as requested. I have equipment on the way. Ram 60, did you get in touch with foam 24? I've been trying to reach them. They didn't pick up.